YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you understand how your channel is performing and identify areas for improvement. By tracking your channel's progress over time, you can see what's working well and what's not, and make adjustments accordingly. YouTube Analytics can also help you understand your audience. By learning more about who is watching your videos and what they're interested in, you can create more targeted content that appeals to your audience's needs. Ultimately, YouTube Analytics is an essential tool for any YouTuber who wants to grow their channel and reach a wider audience. YouTube Analytics provides a variety of metrics that can help you track your channel's progress and identify areas for improvement. Some of the most important metrics to track include views, the number of times your videos have been viewed. This is a key indicator of how popular your channel is and how well your videos are performing. Watch time, the total amount of time people have spent watching your videos. This is a good measure of how engaging your videos are and how well they are retaining viewers. Audience demographics, information about your audience, such as their age, gender, location, and interests. This information can help you understand who is watching your videos and tailor your content accordingly. By tracking these metrics over time, you can see what's working well and what's not, and make adjustments accordingly. To track your channel's progress and identify areas for improvement, you can use YouTube Analytics to create custom reports. These reports can be tailored to your specific needs and can include any combination of the metrics available in YouTube Analytics. For example, you could create a report that shows your channel's views, watch time, and audience demographics over time. This report would allow you to see how your channel is performing overall and identify any trends. You can also use YouTube Analytics to compare your channel's performance to that of other similar channels. This can help you understand how your channel is stacking up against the competition and identify areas where you can improve. By tracking your channel's progress and identifying areas for improvement, you can make informed decisions about how to grow your channel and reach a wider audience. YouTube Analytics can also help you create more effective content and grow your audience. By understanding your audience's interests and preferences, you can create content that is more likely to appeal to them. For example, if you know that your audience is interested in a particular topic, you can create a video that covers that topic in depth. You can also use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos and see what types of content are most popular with your audience. In addition to helping you create more effective content, YouTube Analytics can also help you grow your audience. By promoting your videos on social media and other platforms, you can reach a wider audience and attract new subscribers. By following the tips in this video, you can use YouTube Analytics to grow your channel and reach a wider audience.